Tinubu government want to detain me indefinitely. Maazị Nnamdi Kalu. Simon Ekpa, they are approaching me with sum of 1 billion naira in order to drop a Biafra agitation. Simon Ekpa. My people, welcome back to Balabas G's. If today na the first day wey dey come across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and follow this channel and also share our video so that many people will see the truth we are talking about here and also join us. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update as e dey hot. Na so we dey bring and dey come. Be part of this great family. My people, let's go ahead and look into the tori wey we get for table today. We get many things to yarn today. No be small thing o. They say Maazị Nnamdi Kalu don cry come outside say this one wey dey did de ten tion wey dey hold am now, e no be joke again. Say this thing na plan make dey detain am forever. So we go ahead go read and come outside so that we go know wetin Maazị Nnamdi Kalu talk through his legal teams. Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor. Okay, let's read it out for our people to hear wetin dey go on. They say the detailed leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Maazị Nnamdi Kalu, has said that his continued detention by President Bola Tinubu led Nigeria government is a calculated attempt to detain him indefinitely. Kalu, who made the accusation on Monday when his legal team visited him at the Department of State Service (DSS) headquarters in Abuja, asked his supporters to read Psalm 82 in the Bible daily. My people, you have heard it that our leader, Maazị Nnamdi Kalu, have said at this message that the Nigeria government are planning seriously in order way to detain him forever. But only thing that we can do for him is to read Psalm 82. Read Psalm 82 daily for him so that God will intervene and he will be released by the dungeon of the DSS as well. So this request is coming from Maazị Nnamdi Kalu. So na so we see am and na so we bring am come give una. Let's look into the next news wey we get for table today. They say Simon Ekpa will be the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile. He don take to Twitter today, come shout out say, okay, we read am the way Simon Ekpa take talk am. He say they are discussing how to approach Simon Ekpa with offer of a billion naira to stop Biafra. The president is ready to empty the federation account for Simon Ekpa to stop. Here is my price. Listen o, Simon Ekpa price. He say 3 military jets, 50 armored tanks, 1000 GPMG, 50 anti-aircraft. If they provide the above, I will consider stopping. Simon Ekpa. My people, una don see am. Na so e happen o, and na so we dey bring am dey come. And Simon Ekpa went ahead and exposed the person who they are discussing with in order way to stop associating with that person. So we are going to play you the audio clip of their conversation of when he claimed that this person is the one he's talking about, that tried to negotiate with Nigeria government and Ohaneze in order way to take money and stop the Biafra agitation. So this claim was made by Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile. So we are going to play you the audio clip for you to watch and I will come back and continue as well. So stay tuned and watch the audio clip.
The great leader. Yes, good evening from here. Is that Matthew? Hello? Hello, is that Mazio Kori? Yeah, this is Okori. Okay. Mazio Kori, I just want to make this very clear to you. If you look at this phone now, you'll find out that somebody else is in this phone listening and then also probably recording this phone. So I am aware that you are in touch with the politicians, the criminal politicians that are killing our people, and you have offered yourself to give them service, a service to the devil, in order to reach to me, and in return to be reimbursed with money. I'm aware of that. No. I'm not calling you. I'm not calling this. I'm not calling you now. I know what I'm saying. I'm not calling you now to admit. And of course, I'm not calling you now. But what I'm calling you now to do now is that I want to tell you that from today, do not contact me again. Okay? Don't call my line again. Don't contact me again from today. That's what I want to tell you. And I'm going to inform them so that they will not pay you money for no reason. Okay? I will inform them that I have nothing to do with you, and I will never speak with you from this day on. This is a struggle that I have seen the death of many people. And so we are not going to allow anybody to eat in the ground or dinner. So please, if you are doing anything like that, desist from it, okay? And I will make a post now after this conversation to let them understand that I have no business with you, and I'm not going to talk to you anytime, any soon. From today, don't contact me again. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome back. As I've watched that audio clip by a conversation between Simon Ekpa and somebody who is preparing to approach him in order way to bribe him to stop the agitation of Biafra, as this audio clip claim. So here we would like to bring things the fact the way it is, so we don't paint things blue and black before we said it. Okay, so now this is the audio clip. You have heard it, one Mr. Okori. So what do you think about this conversation between Simon Ekpa and this person? And do you think that Simon Ekpa will everly agree in this ransom, that is in this money that they want to give him in order way to stop the agitation of Biafra? Or do you think that Simon Ekpa will resist and continue? So, and do you think that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, with this prayer, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to be released immediately? So don't forget to do what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu asks you to do in order way for a quick release by reading the Psalm 82 in order way for a quick release as well. So my people, now so we see am this night, and now so they bring and they can't give una. So anywhere where you dey, they watch this particular video, abeg no forget to share this video, and no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update like this as they hot. Now so they bring and they come. So stay tuned and check on our next episode, the continuation of this particular video. Thank you for watching. Information is the key. Don't forget.